Checker dyan.
Amy's not too happy.
She's been like that since we came back.
I know why. She misses having Sonic around to hang out with.
Yeah, this planet can get pretty lonely. I wonder why Sonic still hasn't shown up yet. What do you think? You ever wonder what stars are? Where light comes from?
Mati lah. Mati.
What I say?
That every star up there is another world.
Tara.
Yep. Hard to believe there are so many worlds out there besides our own. The light is their hearts, and it's shining down on us like a million lanterns.
I don't get it.
In other words, they're just like you, then.
What does that mean?
You'll find out someday, I'm sure.
I want to know now.
You're too young to know now.
Quit treating me like a kid.
Hey, what are you laughing at?
I can't help it. You two would make the weirdest brothers.
Huh?
No.
Ambil ya. Begitu gayanya.
Alright, done. Enough.
Oh, yeah. Tara, you and I have our mark of mastery exams tomorrow.